Hola and welcome to my channel, His Girl DIYs. Today I'm going to be making a Glam Valentine's Day video, so I hope you like it. For the materials that I'm going to be using, they're mostly found at the Dollar Tree. First, I'm going to be using this tower block set, and these are wood pieces. I'm going to be taking a set of 5 and I'm going to be gluing them together with my hot glue. Now I am using a small amount of hot glue to be gluing each one of these blocks to the next one. And I will be making 4 rows consisting of 5 blocks each. Now you do have to be careful with the kind of wood that you're picking. Just examine each one of the blocks because they tend to have, some of the blocks tend to have some edges that are not totally well sanded. You will see that in a second. Now I am going to be picking 2 blocks that are going to be on each side. There is the one that is not well finished. So here I'm going to be picking 2 blocks on each side. Now these are going to be the horizontal sides that I'm going to be gluing to the other longer row. The horizontal side is going to be made of 3 blocks, and the vertical ones are going to be made of 5 blocks each. Once glued, it's going to look like a rectangular frame. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your likes. If you like this video, I do appreciate your likes. That is how you help my channel grow. These are free videos that I prepare for you, so the only thing I appreciate is the simple like. And if you want to see more of my projects, please go ahead and subscribe by pressing the red tab that says subscribe on the bottom of this video. Now, did you notice how I pressed too much pressure and it broke? I wanted you to see that so that you could see that it does happen. So all you need to do is remove any excess glue that is hot glue that is left on there, and you can glue it back on there. That is no problem at all. So I have one of these. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue the outer parts, or its side legs basically. And to do that, I'm going to take only 1 block and I'm going to glue that to each end of my row of 5 blocks. I am making 2 of those, and we'll be adding them to opposite sides of my rectangular frame. Now I am also available on Facebook, on Instagram, and Pinterest. Now if you check me out on Instagram and Pinterest, you will find me as His Girl Petals and Designs. I am a flower maker, so that is going to that is also part of my name. So His Girl Petals and Designs. I appreciate you check me out. I do make new live videos on Facebook every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So check me out. Now here I am adding the last side, or the last leg, to this wood frame that I'm making, and it is done. Once that is all glued, I'm going to be using this metallic folk art paint to paint this frame. Now this is not going to be seen so much on the end product. However, it does give it a nice backdrop so that you will not be able to see any part of the wood. It's all going to blend in perfectly. I gave it just 1 coat. It's all it needs. Now Dollar Tree does sell this diamond diamond wrap or diamond tape. It is self-adhesive, which is wonderful. It makes this project goes a lot faster. I am cutting 2 strips of that, and I'm going to be adding it to the sides of each one of the columns. Now the reason why I'm using this, in addition to the mirror tiles that I purchased at Amazon, it's because it helps to cut the cost of this project. As you should know, mirror tiles are kind of pricey, and though it makes each project looks glamorous, it does come with each price tag. So I went ahead and used both diamond wrap in addition to the mirror tiles that I'm going to be adding in just a second, so that to cut down in the price of this project. Now once glued, the mirror tiles are also self-adhesive. Now this looks wonderful and so glamorous. Now for the inside, I'm going to be hanging a heart. Now this is an option. You could do it out of pipe cleaners and you could just leave it like that. I am, however, going to be using this heart wood plaque that I found at the Dollar Tree. Now I am going to be painting it at first with Ballet Slipper Waverly chalk paint that I purchased at Walmart. I am going to be giving it 2 coats on each side of the heart and letting it dry completely. And once it's fully dried, I am going to be taking my metallic paint that I would previously used, and I'm going to be giving it a very light coat, just to give it like a metallic finish to it. You will see it will be very, very lightly. Now I do have to say, I had worked on another project, and by mistake I completely destroyed the video while it was uploading. I was so bummed about it, but I was able to save part of this video, so that was good. So I am going to be using now some Dollar Tree stickers. Now Dollar Tree carries the most beautiful stickers for $1, and I am going to be using that. However, you will see that that's not going to be the end product. I did change my mind because a couple of my children were saying that it did not look really good. So I went ahead and used some of the stickers also from the same pack. Now I am taking one strip of that same diamond tape or diamond wrap that we used earlier, and I'm going to be outlining my heart with that. This was so simple, you guys. I hope you're able to make it. I hope you get to recreate it, and if you do, please tag me. I would love to see your creations and cheer you on as well. So I'm going to do the same thing to the back side. So both sides are going to be having an outline, and both sides are going to be having a sticker. Now you will see at the end that the stickers that I picked were the stickers that say love and a sticker that says XOXO. Now those are the ones that you're going to be seeing at the end of once I show you the finished product. Now to glue it, all I'm going to hot glue it, this little hanging heart to the very top part of the inside of this wooden frame. And to finish this, I'm going to be using a drawer knob. And I found these drawer knobs it's a set that comes in a box, and I purchased it at Home Goods. And that's all it takes. It came out so beautiful. It takes just some hot glue, and trust me, that does not move. It stick on pretty tightly. I sure love this project, and so here it is, and it is super soft, super glamorous, very neutral. You know, you could always take down that heart that's hanging, and you could use it with just a candle inside. So it's very, very versatile, and I really hope that you enjoyed this project, and I hope you get to recreate it. You know, Valentine's Day is one of those holidays that I surely love because it reminds me of God's love. He is the author of love. He's the origin of all love. So I hope that you get to lean on Him during these times. Thanks again for spending some time with me. Check me out on Instagram and Pinterest and Facebook. And thanks again. God bless. Ciao.